Hello guys, and in this video I will answer a practical question. How do I check the battery level on my JBL Pulse 5? Let's find out, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So if we take our speaker and take a look on the back panel, right here you can see this strip indicator which shows the battery level. Firstly, let's turn on our speaker. And now for a few seconds you could see that I have only one part full of this indicator. It has 3 level charges. If it's 1, it's slow power and it needs to be charged. If it's 2, it's half charged and it can continue its work. And 3 out of 3 charges means it's fully charged and you can enjoy up to 12 hours of playtime. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.